Hey guys, so today I just want to talk a little bit about my YouTube channel. I've been doing this now for nearly 3 months, and as you can see I've got about 82 subscribers and I think about 14 hours of watch time. I'm out walking my dogs at the minute, by the way. There's one there, the black one, that's Bailey. One here is Barney. I'm actually walking through the very beautiful Northumberland countryside where I live, and if you look just in the background over here, that's my house. Anyway, back to what I was saying. My YouTube channel, it's incredibly important to have a busy, thriving YouTube channel if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, in my opinion, and in the opinion of an awful lot of very wealthy affiliate marketers. Sorry. So I keep seeing a lot of YouTube channels from people who are promoting this 90-day challenge, or saying that if you do 90 days of uploading a video every single day, you should start to see some huge growth. Now that's what I need, some huge growth. If you're at the bottom like me at the moment, you'll understand how really difficult it is to get subscribers and watch time. So, saying that, I thought what I would do was maybe have a go and see if I can upload one video every day for the next 90 days. If I can do that, well, that would be amazing. It would be one hell of a task, I would think. But what I plan on doing is maybe every 10 days uploading a video showing my stats. So I'll upload a video giving a breakdown of what difference it's made from uploading videos, so you guys can see what really happens. Now, if you're anything like me, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's easy to get subscribers and watch time when you're 22-year-old with abs and touring the world. What about when you're like me, 40-something, dodgy accent from the northeast of England, which I know a lot of you probably don't even understand what I'm saying. It's not so easy. But what I'm trying to do here is kind of prove, or see if I can prove, that it is possible, that anybody can do this, so long as you're putting out good content and helpful. And I'm hoping this will be helpful to some of you, to see if it's possible to do, because I'm nothing special. I doubt myself constantly. Can I do this? I don't think I can sometimes, but I'm never going to know unless I try. So that's the plan. I'm going to start uploading a video every day. I'll keep you guys informed of how that's doing, and I'll give you a full breakdown of all my numbers and what's going on with the growth of my channel. Okay, that's it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Oh, don't forget, I must try and remember to say this when I finish my videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to keep in touch with what's going on with my channel, my journey as an affiliate marketer. Okay guys, thanks. Cheers. Bye.